Howdy, welcome back. Today I thought I'd share my recipe for simple cheaters haggis. In a large pot, combine 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 finely chopped onions. Cook until the onions start to caramelize. Add 1½ teaspoons of ground coriander, 1½ teaspoons of ground nutmeg, 2 teaspoons allspice, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Stir and cook for a minute until fragrant. Add 2 pounds of ground lamb. You could use ground beef if you don't like lamb, and 1 pound of diced chicken livers. Brown the meat over medium heat. This will spend some time in the oven so it can still be a little pink. Add 2 cups of any stock you have on hand. I am using unsalted vegetable stock, and bring to a simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes have passed, add 8 ounces of pinhead oatmeal, otherwise known as steel-cut oats, and mix well. If your pot is not oven safe, transfer to an oven safe dish, cover with foil, and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the foil and bake for another 10 minutes. When done, serve with mashed potatoes and mashed rutabaga. There you have it, Cheater's Haggis. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my cooking adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time.